and this look as well. I don't know.
Guys, welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. So as the title suggests, today I'm gonna share my first impression of the products which I have bought recently from NYKAA and Amazon, and the products which I have shown in my previous video. So if you're interested to know how the products actually are, then keep on watching. So I have already prepped my skin. I have used this Biotic Morning Nectar moisturizer, and also I have applied this primer. This is L'Oreal Base Magic Transforming Smoothing Primer. So now I'm gonna apply the foundation. So the first product which I'm going to use from that haul is this Insight Instant Glow Liquid Illuminator. They say that it can be used as a foundation base or over the cheekbone. So now I'm going to mix this illuminator with my foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me. Okay. So for applying this foundation, I'm going to use this brush over here. This foundation is darker than my skin tone. Whatever, you can see the glow, right? After using this illuminator, you can see the glow. It looks really very natural on my face. What do you guys think? So from my end, it's a So the next product which I'm going to apply on my face is this Blue Heaven Diamond Blush On. So let's try this out. I have another one from this range, Diamond Blush On. This is the coral shade, and this shade is shimmery, but this blush is matte. So let's try this. So for applying the blush, what you have to do, so you can see, right, this blush is really very pigmented, so take very less, okay, to then you can build this up according to your choice, but this is very pigmented, so first time when you pick the blush, take it very less amount. Okay, so pinky glow, you can see, right? Love this as well. Okay, so next I'm going to apply the same highlighter on my cheekbone to see the glow as a highlighter. So you can see the glow, right? The glow this highlighter gives, it's really very natural. So if you want to look very natural and you don't want to look like a disco ball, then definitely you can buy this product. Okay, now let's talk about these brushes which I have got from Amazon. So there are total 5 brushes. So there are total 5 brushes in this packet. The packaging of these brushes was really nice, but the thing is, the brushes are almost same with each other. Like this one, these 2 brushes, you can see this, it's almost the same. And the other part of this brush is this, like these 2 brush, same brushes. Next I have this one, and they both have sponge applicator and same. So the last brush which I have received is this one. So I love this particular brush out of all the 5 brushes which I have received from Amazon. So this side I can use as a eyebrow applicator, eyebrow powder I can apply, and this side has a spoolie to set my brow. So let's check how it's gonna work. Next product which I have received is this Swiss Beauty Shape My Brows. So let's open this one. As I said, the inner packaging, this particular brow kit, it's really very beautiful. It comes with this applicator. So on my right brow, I'm gonna use this applicator, and on my left brow, I'm gonna use this brush. So let's see. So first I'm going to apply this shade. So I'm gonna mix two shades, this one and this one, and on the left brow I'm going to use this shade. So let's try. Okay, so my brows are not in a proper shape because I didn't go for any kind of thread for almost 3 months now, so it's not in a proper shape. I'm sorry for that, but I really love this particular brow kit. You can see it's really good. So I have applied, as I said, these two shades with this applicator, and it's quite good. Now I'm going to use this brush, so let's start. Okay, I'm going to use this shade, this black shade. Okay, ignore my sweat, I'm sweating like a pig right now. So apart from that, so this particular shade, it's black, right? So you can see it's dark, but it's not too dark like other brow kits, but it's very natural with my eyebrows, but it's black, right? So you have to be very careful with this particular shade, otherwise you can mix this shade over here. If you have really thin brows, if your brow color it's very light, then definitely don't use this black powder. Always use the light shades. I never ever used black in my life, so first time I have used this black. It's not too bad. If you are going for a dramatic look or something like that, you can definitely use this black. One thing, if going for a very natural look, then don't use this black. Okay, so now I'm going to use this brow wax. So let's see. It's generally used to set your brows. Okay, it's nice. It's really set my brows well. This product is a must buy. So this is the Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and it has total 16 shades. You can see. So this is the hand swatches of the eyeshadow palette. So you can see the last shade, I mean the yellow shade, it hardly has any pigment. This shade, I mean green shade, it also doesn't have any pigmentation. Also it's so powdery. The red and blue shade on the top, it's really very pigmented, so good. So now let's check this pigmentation on our eyelids. So in this particular set of eyeshadow brush, there are no such fluffy or blending brushes they given, so I have to use my other brush to blend my shadows. First I'm going to use this shade over here on my crease. Now I'm going to apply this shade to check the pigmentation. Remember, this is not a eyeshadow tutorial or makeup look, so just ignore. Apply this shade in the outer half. And blending with the other eyeshadow which I've applied before. Now I'm going to apply this red shade again on the outer section, just to check the pigmentation, nothing much. This is not a makeup tutorial, so don't judge anything, right? On hand swatch also it's so pigmented, and on lid it is like bomb.com. Now I'm going to apply this shimmer shade on my middle portion. Okay, I just have realized that I have these brushes too, which I have to check. So I'm going to apply this shade, this shimmer shade, with this brush. Okay, this brush, it's good. Well, Okay, this brush is not so bad. This is good. Okay, so this look is almost done. I really love how this turned out, and the shades which I have used to create this look were so pigmented, so definitely. And also it's raining outside, so ignore the noises. Now I'm going to use this golden shade over here, and I'm going to apply this with this tiny little brush. I'm going to use this on my inner corner. Oh my god, this particular brush is so pokey. It's so bad. I just hurt myself. And lastly, I'm going to use this shade and this shade on my lower lash line. Blending everything with this sponge applicator. Okay, this eyeshadow palette I'm really impressed with. I really didn't have any much expectation with this, but really, it's really nice. Going to apply this yellow shade on this side. It doesn't have any pigmentation. I hope you guys can see this green one. Let's see how it is gonna work on our eyelid. Also, this is also doesn't have any pigmentation. Okay, now check this shade. I hope this gonna work now. Okay, this one is good. This one is good. Now let's check this shade. The same brush I'm going to apply this shade. Okay, this one is also pigmented. This one also pigmented. Now I'm going to apply. I have to use other brush. Now I'm going to apply this shade on my outer half. Shades which I'm applying right now, all of these shades are pretty well, so yeah. Okay, it's also good. It has pigmentation and all, but this shades is not so good as this side. I mean, this red shades, red and pinkish kind of shades are really good, but this one are so powdery. Well, now I'm going to apply this shimmery blue shade on my eyelid, and this green shade over here on the inner corner. I'm going to use this brush over here to apply the blue shimmery shade. This brush is too bad. Okay, when I have applied it with the brush, it doesn't give me any pigmentation, but when I applied it with my finger, it gives me full pigmentation. This green shade on my inner corner work also really good. I hope you can see this shade and this one on my lower lash line. Last shades which I have used were so good, but the previous shades were so. Now I'm going to use this eyeliner. Okay, so on my left eye I have applied the blue eyeliner, and on my right eye I have applied the green eyeliner, and also I have lined it with this black sketch eyeliner. This eye look I really like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And this is the left eye. It's so horrible, but this one I really love. Next I'm going to try this eyelashes with this eyelash glue. Okay, after a lot of struggle, finally I have on these eyelashes. My green eyeliner almost gone from this eye, and this was a horrible experience, guys. Okay, so the lashes were pretty well, and the glue was really very watery. It's not too thick, so I don't know. I never ever applied any kind of eyelash or glue, so I don't have any previous experience. So eyelashes I really like. I mean, it looks really good on my eyes. I have to learn. I really have to work on this, how to apply eyelash and all. So yeah, now I'm going to apply some lipstick. This is the shade Latte. So yeah. So this is a beautiful nude shade. So this was my first impression video of the products which I have bought recently from Amazon and NYKAA. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you do, then please like my video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It's very important for me. And don't forget to press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And yeah, you can also follow me on Instagram. Link you will find in the description box, so please check that, and all of the products and their links I will mention in the description box, so you can check that out. And see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.